Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys password security setting in video title, how to unlock fingerprint, how to remove fingerprint in infinix mobile. Friends, you want to remove fingerprint lock. So friends, how to remove fingerprint one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to remove fingerprint one by one, step by step we will talk about. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting, how to remove fingerprint lock. Open your phone password and security setting. After turn on guys phone security setting, you can use fingerprint lock setting, face lock setting, screen lock and app lock setting. So friends, open your phone fingerprint lock setting. Use your device pattern to continue. So friends, I have 3 fingerprint lock and you want to remove your 3 fingerprint lock one by one you can remove. So friends, first fingerprint lock I will remove. So friends, one fingerprint lock will remove and I have 2 fingerprints. And friends, you want to rename your fingerprint, click here and you can rename your fingerprint lock also. And you want to remove fingerprint, select your fingerprint lock, delete option, fingerprint lock will remove, all fingerprint remove. And friends, now you cannot use fingerprint lock setting. You want to use, again click here add finger, add your fingerprint, then you can unlock your device with fingerprint. Friends, lock your screen, you can unlock your mobile without fingerprint. Use your device pattern, use your device password, you can unlock your device. So friends, fingerprint lock setting we cannot use in Infinix mobile. So like that friends, we can delete fingerprint lock in Infinix mobile. Again you want to use, add your finger, use your device password, add finger, then you can unlock your mobile with fingerprint lock. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.